Assalamu alaikum. Today our lecture is on the revision of number. In this lecture we will discuss all the things we have studied in previous 5 units and you have studied in your previous class. Just we will discuss about some basic things, not any complex thing. For example, we will discuss about how to write a number in international system, how to write a number in words, how to discuss about the place value, what is HCF, LCM, what is expanded form, how to write number from an expanded form, discussing the division of 4 and 3. That's all which we have already studied. Today is just a revision lecture. Number 1 is the question 1. Express the following in words. We have a number, this one. Then we have to write in international system but in words. So we have a 10 digits number begin with billion. Then we have a 1 billion 234 million 567,890. That is very basic, because these things you have studied in even class 3. In class 3 you studied thousand, in class 4 you studied million, in class 5 you studied billion. Next is express the following number in figure. Now they have a question in words, you have to write in number. They have 37 billion. They said 37 billion, that means we have 37, then 21 million. In million basically we have 3 digits, but they said 21 million, then first digit 0 and 21, then 7006. International system, now it's become two type of international, in which we somehow write commas, and in some places we don't use comma, who just make a space between the billion, million, thousand and hundred. They said 37 billion 21 million and then 7000, that means 007, and then what one last one is 6, 006. Next one, find the difference between the place value of 9. That means we have to subtract the place value of 9. First 9 is on 1, that means we have a 9. Then second 9 is on at 1100, that means we have 1100. And we have to subtract, because difference mean subtraction. Then we have to subtract for this, we have to take a carry from this one, it's become 8. Then we when take a carry on this one, it's become 10, but we have to move at right place, then it's become 9 9 9 9, this will become 10. Now from 10 and 9 subtract will give 1. There is nothing number below the 9, so it's become 9 9 9 9 and 8. These things we have studied, but we are just discussing in some different way. आप ये चीज़ें पहले पढ़ चुके हैं, हम बस इनको थोड़े मुख्तलिफ तरीके से देख रहे हैं कि हम इनको वर्ड्स प्रॉब्लम अगर इस तरह की आ जाए तो हम कैसे सॉल्व करेंगे. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज़ अबाउट फाइंड द डिफरेंस बिटवीन द स्मॉलेस्ट एंड द लार्जेस्ट नंबर फॉर्म विद द डिजिट्स. यानी कि हमने ये 4 डिजिट्स दिए गए 1 2 3 4, इससे जो सबसे बड़ा नंबर बनता है और इससे जो सबसे छोटा नंबर बनता है, इन 4 डिजिट से जो बनता है, हमने उनको आपस में सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है। जो हमारे लिखा होता है ना डिफरेंस, बेसिकली वो हमारे पास सब्ट्रैक्शन के लिए आता है। तो हमारे पास कौन कौन सा नंबर है 1 2 3 4। तो इसके लिए हमारे पास सबसे बड़ा अगर नंबर लिखना है ना, तो हम क्या करेंगे कि हम सबसे बड़े नंबर से लिखना शुरू करेंगे 4 3 2 1। यानी कि इन 4 डिजिट से हम सबसे जो ग्रेटर नंबर बना सकते हैं वो यही है। और अगर हमने इन्हीं से सबसे छोटा नंबर बनाना है तो हम सबसे छोटे नंबर से लिखना शुरू करेंगे। यानी कि इन 4 डिजिट से जो सबसे छोटा नंबर बनता है वो यही है हमारे पास। अब इसको सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है। सब्ट्रैक्ट के लिए हमारे पास इसको 11 बना लेंगे। 11 में से 4 7, देन 1 में से हम 3 सब्ट्रैक्ट नहीं कर सकते, तो यहाँ पे 2, ये भी 11 में से 3 8, 2 में से 2 0 and 4 1 will give us 3. That is the difference from greatest number 1 2 3 4 and the smallest number. Next question is about write number in expanded form. Basically in expanded form we write each number with its value. That means we have a 70,809. Then when we write in expand, यानी कि we have to expand each number, each digits, then it's become 70,000 plus. First the question was 70,809. After 70,000 we have no digits on 1000. Then we have a number on 100. Then we will write 800 plus. Then we don't have a number on 10, we have a number on ones. Then we will write 9. If we add these numbers, the answer will be 70,809. That is complex form, that is expanded form. Then we expand the each digits with its place value. 7 with 70,000, 8 with 800, 9 with just 9. Next question is we have a question in expanded form. Then we have to write in standard form. Example, we have a 80,070,060 plus 5. How will we write these number? First we will write 80 million. Then first what was the next number we have? We have 70,000, so we will write 0 and 70. After 1000 we will come on 100. Then we have 60 plus 5. That means we have nothing number on 100, we have number on 10 and 1. That is the standard form of number from a expanded. Then next question is determine the difference. Again different means subtraction between the largest number of 9 digits and the smallest number of 6 digits. That means we have smallest number in 6 digits. The smallest number is this one, and the largest number in 4 digits. In 4 digits we have this one, and I have to find difference means subtraction. Then when we subtract it, we can't subtract 9 from 0, so we have to take carry. We have only one on left side, then we carry from this one to this one, but we have to move from each digit. It will become 9 9 9 9. This will become 10. The answer will be Subtraction of 9 from 10 will give us 1. 9 from 9, 0, 0, 0, and then 9. That is our answer. The next question is about divisible. We have to find the number which is divisible by 4 between these. For the divisible of 4, we have rule that if the last two numbers are divisible by 4, then the whole number will be divisible by 4. Otherwise, if we have a number with the 2 0 on the last, then it will be divisible by 4. But there we have 9 8 5 9 8. We have to find if 9 8 is divisible by 4, then whole number will be divisible by 4. Is 9 8 is divisible by 4? Let's see. 9 8 4 4 2 time 8 1 carry 18, and 4 4 time 16, 2 remain. 4 is not fully divided, that means 98 not completely divisible by 4, that means 598 not divisible by 4. Then we see 746. Again we will check last two number 46, and 46 is not divisible by 4 because 4 6 4 1s are 4, then 6 4 1s are 4. There will remain a remainder, and so 4 is not fully completely divided by 46. Then both of these numbers are not divisible by 4. Then we will check next. 37 is not divisible by 4. 78, let's see. 4 1s are 4. 38 again. That means none of these number is divisible by 4. Next we will check which number is divisible by 3. For the divisibility of 3, we add up all the number. If after adding up the number we will get is divisible by 3, then the whole number will be divisible by 3. That means कि अगर हम किसी नंबर को 3 से डिवाइड करना चाहते हैं completely, तो हम देखेंगे कि हम उसके डिजिट्स को ऐड अप करेंगे. We have a 8 5 9. If we add these number, it will become 8 9 17 17 and 5 22. 22 is not divisible by 4, that means this number is not divisible by 3. Then we will check 4 6 7. If we add 4 6 7 4 6 7 is equal to 17. 17 not divisible by 3, that means that this number is not divisible by 3. Then we will discuss about 3 4. 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. That 7 is not divisible by 3, then the whole number is not divisible by 3. Then we'll check 5 7 6. 5 7 6. The answer is 6 and 5 11. 11 and 7 18. 18 is divisible by 3, that means this number will be divisible by 3. So 5 7 6 is divisible by 3. That is the basic things. Next, determine the prime factor of 12. If we write the prime factor of 12, we have 2 6 time, 2 3 time, 3 1 time. That means the prime factor we have for 12 is only 2 and 3. For 12. Next question is the HCF and LCF two number are 8 and 504 respectively. One of number is 72 to determine the other number. They said we have the formula product we have formula HCF multiply LCM is equal to A multiply B. A multiply B, basically these are two numbers on which we get the HCF and LCM. They give us HCF and LCM and one of the number. We have to find the other number. The HCF and LCM we have is 504 and 8. 504 multiply 8, and the one number is 72. Other number is unknown. We have to find the other number. For this 72 is multiplying here. When we move the 72 equal other side, it will be in divide. We have 504 multiply 8 by 72 is equal to B. 8 ones are 8, 8 nines are 72. Okay, then we will see that 504 and 9 can be divisible by any same number. Let's see, 9 is divisible by 3 and this number is also divisible by 3. How we will find? Because 5 plus 0 plus 4 is 9. So we will cut it with number 3. 3 times 3 ones are 3, 2 carry 20, 3 6 are 18, 2 carry 24, 28 are this one. Then again we will check that it divisible by 3 or not. Then 3 is there. We have 1 6 8. If we add 1 6 8, it give 15. 15 is divisible by 3, so this number will be divisible by 3. So 3 ones are 3, 3 fives are 15, 1 carry 18, 6. Then the other number we have is 56. अब हमारे पास दो क्वेश्चन रह गए. एक में हमने लार्जेस्ट 4 डिजिट नंबर मालूम करना है जो डिविजिबल हो इन 3 डिजिट से, 3 नंबर से, और एक हमने स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर. मैंने उसमें बता दिया था कि हम लार्जेस्ट 4 नंबर का डिजिट्स कैसे फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं. वहाँ पे स्मॉलेस्ट का नहीं था बताया था. अगर आपने वो नहीं देखा तो वो आप देख सकते हैं. अगर किसी के पास वीडियो नहीं है या डिलीट हो गई है तो यूट्यूब पर चैनल है ऑनलाइन लर्निंग, नहीं तो लिंक मैं साथ दे देता हूँ इसके. अगर नहीं तो वो देख लें, वहाँ से आपको मालूम हो जाएगा कि 4 डिजिट नंबर लार्जेस्ट अगर हमने मालूम करना हो किसी LCM से तो कैसे फाइंड आउट करते हैं. आज हम यहाँ पे हम जो सॉल्व करेंगे वो देखेंगे कि स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर अगर हमने फाइंड आउट करना हो तो हम कैसे करेंगे. तो हमारे पास नंबर है 16, 24 and 30. First of all we will find out LCM. 24, 30 and 16. First we will divide it with 2 8 times. 2 ones are 2 and 2 times 4 to 15 times. Again we will divisible by 2 4 times, 2 6 times 12, 15 will remain the same because 15 is not divisible by 2. 2 times, 3 times, 15 will remain the same. 2 1 time, 3 will remain the same, 15. Now there is nothing no number which can be divisible by 2, then we will divide with 3. 3 one time, 1 and 5. The last one is 5. 1 1 1. Now we have the number 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 3 multiply 5. If we multiply all of these numbers, we will get 240. That is basic, we get the LCM. But question was, what was the smallest 5-digit number which can be divisible by all of these numbers? So the smallest 5-digit number we have is this one. To find out the smallest number which can be divisible by all of these numbers, we will divide 240 with this number, 10 with 10,000. 240 10,000. So we have this one, 240 . If we see first 3 digits is less than 240, then we will carry on the table on 4 digits. We have 240 4 times 960. If we subtract these, we will get 40, and we make 0 below and 400. 240 one time, 240, we will have remainder 160. As we see, smallest 5-digit number is not completely divisible by 240. If we want to make the divisible by 240, we have to be there 240, यानी कि अगर हमने इसको कम्प्लीटली डिविजिबल बनाना है तो यहाँ पे हमारे पास 240 होना चाहिए, ताकि यहाँ पे ये कम्प्लीटली डिवाइड हो जाए. तो हम इसमें कितने नंबर ऐड करेंगे तो हमारे पास 240 आ जाएगा. उसके लिए हम ये करेंगे कि 240 को 160 से डिवाइड करेंगे तो हमारे पास आ जाएगा 80. तो इसके लिए हमें, so if we add 80 number more in this, that means if we add 80 in this one, it will become 240, and then it will be completely divisible by 240. That means we have to add 80 in this number for completely divisible. So that is the smallest number that can be a smallest 5-digit number that can be divisible by 16, 24 and 30.